Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. Now, if you want a side hustle as a student that actually pays real money, not $2 for a survey, but I mean $200 to $400 a client, then it's better for you to stop freelance website and look out your window. Now, right now, local town or cities or dozens of small websites like gyms, barbering shops, local mechanics and cafes are losing a lot of customers, right? They are losing a lot of customers. Now, what you are going to do is I'm walking through the exact blueprint of how you can build a modern mobile friendly landing pages for this business less than a week. And we are going to use AI or either drag and drop tools without writing even a single line of code. Now what you are going to do is you are going to visualize and you are going to analyze how you can implement all those structures to organize a very good layout about our website. What you are going to do here is you are going to Google Map. So you come to Google Chrome here, then search for Google Map. So inside this Google Map, you are going to look out for a specific company or a specific business in our locality. Our local area matters more. So currently, because I'm in Ghana, what I'm going to do here is I will search for maybe fitness. Okay, let me search for fitness trainers, right? Fitness trainers in Accra. Now we could see dozens of websites here or kind of company here that do not have a website, and some also have a website. You could see it's those who has a website is being circled as websites here, and those who don't have a website is being circled as directions here. So all what you are going to do is you are going to select one of these details here. The moment you select one of these details here, what you are going to do is you are going to check their reviews. So let's first check out those websites or those business companies that doesn't have a website. So let's come to Fitness Zone. Yes, so here is basically a fitness zone, and we could see the overview, and what it's missing is websites. Now before we can draft or we can create a responsive or a website for this kind of business, all what you are going to do is you are going to check their reviews. You see, their reviews is quite good because there is only one review and it says the place is very good, the instructor is amazing, so energetic and refreshing. We can create a website for this particular business or this particular company, right? What you are going to do here is you are going to copy all the details here. Let's copy all the details here. Copy everything. The moment we copy everything, we'll come to Replit. This is our website, replit.com. So if you are first here, you create account, you do your logins here, and this is exactly what it's going to display. Once we come to Replit here, what you are going to do is you are going to type the whole detail of those particular business websites, and we will restructure it or you implement all those ideas here. So you paste this, and don't be wondering how you are going to paste here, because once you paste, the AI will know and figure out how and organize it, will lay out those kind of websites. Now we want to find their email because I could not, or I was not able to see their email, let's try to go to some of their social media platforms to see if we can get their emails. Yeah, so here is basically their email. So if we can get them, you'll use this email. If we want to call them, you'll use this phone number. So what we are going to do now here is we are going to add this email to the website. So once we add the email to the website, you come to our Replit here, then you add the email to here. So you just lay out, or you just paste the details here. All what you need here is you are going to prompt it. You are going to prompt it like create a website. For this brand. So we wait as Replit will start to execute the coding or the website. Now this is our website, and this is what Replit has done. Now what we can do, let's view and see how our website is being executed. So here is where you can, okay, let's view it. Yeah, not bad. Yes, so apparently here is our fitness website, and here is how it is. Yeah, here's how it is. Because in fitness we wouldn't expect a huge brand of website. You get it, unlike a school management system or other brands like a government kind of website. This is just fitness. So what it needs is to detail a lot of information about those particular business. So let's try here. We have desktop or screen size here. When you are using Samsung Galaxy 25, the kind of phones brand you are using here, you can try to, let's try Samsung 24. Let's view it and see. Now here's what it appears on phone. Look at how it's done. Yes. So here's how it appears on phone. Once they click on join now, it will access the company's information and an address. And mind you, this is not a backend, or this is not a complete website or something you would expect a huge website to be. This is just like a front end website. It basically deals with the front page, you get it. So here's how. So once you are done, you can publish this website here. You can publish it here. Anyone with internet you can publish it here. So in as much as we are trying to publish our website, so here's where it's publishing. And because you are not buying a domain website where you can use a business brand to attach the website you are doing, because we wouldn't know if they will pay or not. So we are not guaranteed we are going to use our money to be buying domain, because once we use our money to buy domain and they end up not paying, we are going to experience a lot of loss. You get. So the best thing you have to do is you are going to create a demo. So this demo is what you are going to um analyze and make him aware or make her aware about the overview of her website, how he wants or how she wants her website to be. The moment he explains or he make us understand, or he let us understand how he wants or she wants her website to be, then we can go ahead and talk about the pricing and and the and the hosting, so we can host those particular websites you are doing it. And I'll talk about the hosting and how you can host your website very soon in our next video, so don't worry. So as you are waiting for the publishing, what you can do here is you can also draft email. Now, how can we contact those kind of business brands once we build this complete website? What you are going to do is you are going to use either two-way method. We are either going to use email drafting, or we are either going to use the phone call system, or either way we can use the WhatsApp system too. And what it guarantees, or what makes us or stand our business so unique, is we are going to use the calling system, right? You are going to use the calling system most often if you want it to be execute, or if you want your kind of website to be executed faster. So if you come here, you could see, if you come to this business website, you could see here is a business website and this is their email. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy this email here. We are going to copy this email here. Once you copy this email here, we will made Claude Assistance. Claude is one of these AI tools that is being built in our email, like it's a plugin, right? Anytime you want to use email, or anytime you want to draft an email, we can let Claude interfere, or we can let Claude help. Now we can post this email here. Once you post this email here, what you are going to do is you are going to copy all the business information here. Once you copy the business information here, what you are going to do here next is you are going to leave a space. Then you paste it. You don't need to be prompt engineering expert to do this. What you are going to do here is you are going to let Claude now you leave spacebar, then type draft email on this particular website. Because we are to make yes. So let's see what Claude has for us. So let's see if it's being published. Now this is our website link. This is our link in our website, about our website. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy the link, and we are not going to send this link to those kind of business, because some of these business are very smart. Once you send this link to them, what you are going to do is you are going to use this business, because someone can either way use this business or this link in their website and they wouldn't pay, because in as much as you've put their whatever you've put their name on it, they wouldn't pay. So what you need, you can do a video. Let's try to see if our link is working. So let's come to our Google Chrome here, then let's paste. Yes, now you can see our link is working. you could see it's working. So all what you are going to do is um you are going to hand this kind of website, or this website, to available business brands. And as we could see, we could see their numbers and their website, sorry, their email at their various business. So let's see if Claude has generated for us. Okay, what service are you offering to? So what service or products are you selling then? So let's see. Website developer. Who builds business for brands? Yes. Let's draft our email. Okay, so here's how it has generated our link. Right, here's how it has generated our website, sorry, our email. Now, bold or provocative hook. So if you want a bold statement, do you know how many people search for gyms near them on Google every single day and scroll past fitness zone because there is no website to click on? I just looked you up. One review, create one. No. So here is basically how you are being bold. And now let's go to direct and consultative, and let's see how it is. I came across, don't have a website, just a strong review corner. Let's go to curiosity. Yes, so what you are going to do here is you go with the provocative hook. So because Claude is a plugin in email, what you are going to do is you are going to send via email. You are going to send via email directly. So let's click on send via email. Yes, so let's go to their website. Let's select their email here. Yes, so either way we could use our phone number or we could use our portfolio link. But the trick is, the moment you use the portfolio link, some business are very lazy because they don't have money or enough finances to deal with. Or what they will do is they could use this portfolio link and access that on their page, because at the end of the day, all what they need is they need a link to throw much more light on their business or the business they are dealing with. So you have to be smart here. And sometimes some of these software developers or website developers, the moment a customer or a client doesn't pay, all what they do is they can just dismantle how the website will display at the very end. So the moment the client get the website, they wouldn't be able to access those kind of websites you build for them. But we don't want it to be that way, because we are not that much professional when it comes to redeveloping softwares or redeveloping software website. All what you do here is you be smart here. So Claude has generated this email for us. All what you are going to do is you are going to input our name here. So I've inputted my name. So what you're going to do is you use our phone number. Yes, you use our phone number. Yes. So do you know how many years school pass? So let's send the email. Yes, now our message is being sent. Our message is being sent. So what's yes, so here is our message. Here is our message. So we could look out for response in the next few days to see if they could respond. And sometimes once your business, or you find a particular business near your locality, what you can do here is, instead of you to walk to Google Map to build a website for them, or what you can do is you can walk to the shop boldly and make sure you enhance your communication skills about a particular service you are going to deal with. You just walk to the office or those kind of business, you contact them very respectfully, and you let them know the kind of business you are offering. Either you are a website developer, you build website for their business, or what it will lead or it will base towards is how you could restructure your sentence to make sure they can be convinced about a particular service or a particular dealing you kind of involve yourself into. So basically, not only Gym, you can use this Google Map, or you can use or we can build website for them. There are a lot of restaurants also there who don't have a website. So if you search restaurant, and please make sure you do it based on your locality and not other countries. Once you are living in African country, don't go and be doing it in European base or something, because it's kind of complicated if you try to do those kind of things. If you are living in Europe, do it in Europe. You are living in Africa, do it in Africa for faster build up and delivery services. So restaurant in Accra. So here too, you could see there are about many webs. Okay, let's see if we could see they have a website. Okay, so here has a website. Yes, so the trick you can use to detect when a business doesn't have a website is add missing information. The moment you see add missing information and there's this website logo here saying add website, basically it means the kind of business we are dealing with doesn't have a website. So we have to create a website for them, right? We have to create a website for them. So there are lots of business. You can channel your attention much more into broader audience. So you couldn't limit yourself to only gymming or fitness thing. There are even some of hospitals who okay, hospitals basically have a website. There are a lot of like food and groceries and other things. You can build websites and have time for them and try to call them, and trust me, this side hustle basically works. And so far I've got like about 2 clients. I tested about 15 people, and only 2 clients I got. Only 2 clients I got because it wasn't easy. And I'm still building on those consistency. If I get enough time to do those kind of websites, I'm still building on those consistency. So all what you need to do is you need to improve on your communication skills to get all those clients. So here is basically what you can do as your side hustle, and you will be earning a little money attached to support yourselves financially. Now that's a complete and repeatable execution loop. Once you find a gap, you have to build a quick mock-up using modern tools, right? So these modern tools is what you use Ripley to build. So here's how you end the channel, and I believe you take this kind of videos into consideration and build a consistency on. Try to contact a lot of business, try to contact a lot of companies, try to contact a lot of those who sell products online. You can also try to sell your business as a service on your WhatsApp statuses, on your social media platforms, on the kind of deliveries you've been doing in delivering best website for various clients. And I believe it's worth it. It's very worth it. So here's where we end it. And you find this channel interesting or helpful, kindly subscribe for much more tutorials. Bye.